There was one doctor, an Ayurveda Acharya, very seasoned one, who came in and said that you should have multiple, 7 to 8 spoons of ghee every day.
I would say understand your body type.
Okay.
Consume if your body needs.
Yeah.
I look like a kapha.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
But I'm highly functional, because of which my vata is also slightly raised, because like I start my day in the morning by 4:30, and till the time I go to bed, my brain is being overutilized.
Okay.
Now, if I don't consume ghee, I'll feel dry and constipated. But if I have 7 to 8 teaspoons of ghee in a given day, the next day morning I'll be constipated because of that excess kapha, excess fat. So understand your body type. If you are an
Okay.
extremely lean kind of person,
Yeah.
consuming a lot of drying food,
Yeah.
or you are a vegetarian who consumes a lot of lentils, because if you see, lentils, green leafy vegetables and pulses are highly drying.
Yeah.
In fact, Ayurveda says that don't consume these regularly unless and until it is moong dal.
Acha, lentils should not be had every day. Dals basically should not be had every day.
Yes, Ayurveda clearly says that in Ashtanga Hridaya. It says if at all you want to have it as moong dal. It can be split. It can be the whole moong dal. But soak it overnight, cook it in ghee, or cook it in the right kind of fat with condiments. Then you can have. Because the very nature of lentils and pulses is to dry your system. If you see, everything under the sun has got a property. You need to understand the property and consume it accordingly. In fact, Ayurveda says for health, you don't need a lot of food. You just need rice, moong dal, gourd vegetables, buttermilk, ghee, thoda sa sendha namak, and mishri. And you're sorted. Okay? This is enough for health. Anything beyond this is luxury.
Oh.
Okay? Making your plate colorful, having a lot of dry fruits, nuts,
Yeah,
seeds.
yeah.
Like, all the things that you have today, accessible easily because we can afford to, is actually giving us inflammation. If you see today, people are more diseased than ever. What has happened? We have easy access to all these stuff to be digested food. The next hidden villain is actually fiber. Today, people have a tendency to add a lot of fiber onto their plate,
Yeah.
thinking that is actually going to help them. In fact, I had a patient recently who was complaining of constipation no matter what we do. Then we actually tried of looking into a plate, and it was actually 60% fibrous vegetables, 30% carb, and just 10 to 15% was the probiotic things. And her body type was a vata kind. So what we tried to do is we reduced a portion of fiber, and that itself actually fixed her constipation.
Okay.
So more of fiber is good if you have a sluggish gut. Because fiber, again, is good only when you have a lot of slimy mucoid medium inside, which is actually trying to suck out the excess mucus so that you get a better bowel.
If I'm a vata type, can I have more fiber is the question.
No. If you're a kapha person, if you're sluggish, stout, happy-go-lucky person, then I would say have more fibrous vegetables.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.